So this is our living room area. So this is the kitchen of your sample flat, which has L-shaped granite platform. So this is our third bedroom of the sample flat, which is the master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to House. In today's video, we are going to be doing a sample flat tour of Pristine iLife 4, which is located near Porwal Road, Dhanuri, Pune. And this project has been developed by Pristine Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the sales office, which is behind me, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. In front of the sales office is the Porwal Road. Now, before we show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly to its developers. Unlike other property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. Pristine iLife 4 will be constructed on 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers, each tower having 2 podiums plus ground plus 9 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. Pristine iLife 4 is located near Porwal Road, Dhanuri, Pune. In front of the sales office, you have Porwal Road, in which on the left hand side it connects you to Dhanuri Road, and on the right hand side it connects you to D.Y. Patil University Road. इस प्रोजेक्ट के कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है D-Mart Dhanuri, which is located within 1.4 kilometers, Lohegaon bus stop, which is located within 2.3 kilometers, and Pune International Airport, which is located within 3.3 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं Pristine iLife 4 के amenities के बारे में. This project has luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, children's play area, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, yoga zone and many more. So as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 2.5 BHK sample flat of Pristine iLife 4, which has 985 square feet carpet area. So as you can see at the entrance, you get a digital door lock at your door for security purposes. This is the entrance's lobby where you can place your decorative items and shoe rack. Now let's check out our living room and dining space. But before we check that out, let me tell you कि इस 2.5 BHK में आपको ये पहला room as a 0.5 मिल जाता है as a smart room. Now let's check it out. So this is our smart room where you get attached windows for ventilation and natural sunlight and a door for another entrance. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is our living room area where you get your couch setup and an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. And here you get your TV unit setup space. Now let me show you the dining space. This is your dining space where you can set up your dining table, where you can enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out our kitchen. So this is the kitchen of your sample flat, which has L-shaped granite platform, your sink area and dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and a window attached to it for ventilation and natural sunlight. And here you get your refrigerator space to set up your fridge. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. But before I show you the first bedroom of our sample flat, here you get a common wash basin and a common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, designer vitrified tiles and CP center fitting. Now let me show you the first bedroom of this flat. So this is the first bedroom, which is the common bedroom. Here is your bed setup space, and you get attached windows to it for natural lighting and ventilation. And here is your wardrobe setup space. Now before I show you the third bedroom of our flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI schedule, payment schemes, and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So go now and register for free and book your site visit today. Now let us check out our third bedroom. So this is our third bedroom of the sample flat, which is the master bedroom. Here you have your bed setup space, and attached to it is a balcony in which you get anti-skid tiles, iron railings and 3-side cover. This is where you get your wardrobe setup space, and beside is the attached master washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was a sample flat tour of Pristine Nightlife 4, which is located near Porwal Road, Dhanori, Pune, and is developed by Pristine Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.